Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Ben. We're back with another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be going over why eating healthy does not necessarily mean you are going to lose weight. A lot of people, including my past self, actually believe that if you eat healthy and you eat the right foods, you will just automatically lose weight, which is not the case. We're gonna get this out of the way. First and foremost, the only way to lose weight, to lose body fat, is to be in a calorie deficit. I say this in all of my videos. If you don't watch my videos, please watch more of my videos and you will learn a lot. As I said, at the end of the day, if you want to lose weight, get leaner, lose body fat, you need to be eating less calories than your body is burning off on a daily basis. Please do not listen to any other influencer or nutritionist or dietitian that tells you that calories in, calories out does not work, because at the end of the day, that is what it comes down to. So let's talk about why eating healthy is not necessarily going to make you lose weight. You can eat all the healthy food in the world, but if you're eating too much, you're not going to lose weight. That's just how it is. So you're probably saying, well, if I just eat healthy, aren't healthier foods lower in calories? And my answer is, some are and some aren't. So this is where it comes down to choosing the right healthy foods and the right foods in general. So yes, some healthy foods are going to be lower in calories and actually help you in your weight loss journey or your fat loss journey. And some are going to do the opposite and actually make it harder for you to reach your goals. So for example, some foods that are healthy or considered healthy by most people that are going to help you lose weight would be fruits and vegetables. Vegetables are very high in fiber and very low in calories. But the goal here is to shoot for the lowest calorie vegetables that you can find. Fruits as well. There are a lot of fruits that are higher calorie, and then there are a lot of fruits that are lower calorie. A good example of a good fruit would be strawberries. Strawberries per 300 grams is around 100 calories. A fruit that is on the higher calorie side would be more like a banana. A banana is around 80 to 100 calories for 100 grams, which is a lot more than the strawberries. So those are the good, healthy options that are going to help you lose weight. So let's talk about the bad ones. First and foremost, avocado. Avocado is very high in fat, meaning it's very high in calories, and it's very dense. A little bit of avocado is around like 200 calories, depending on how much, obviously. But for a little bit, a lot of calories, that is what you want to avoid. Another example is nuts or peanut butter. Once again, a little bit is around 200 calories, very high in fat content, but considered healthy by most people. This just goes to show that just because an item is considered healthy doesn't necessarily mean it is going to help you reach your weight loss goals. Here I have a prime example: peanut butter powder, PB Fit, PB2. There's multiple powdered peanut butter brands out there that you can get your hands on. They remove mostly all of the fat from regular peanut butter, and it's about 1/3 of the calories of regular peanut butter for the same amount. Regular peanut butter has 190 calories per 2 tablespoons, and the powdered peanut butter has 60 calories per 2 tablespoons. So you're saving a lot of calories. However, most people would probably argue that the regular peanut butter is healthier than the powdered peanut butter. However, you're going to have a much better time losing weight if you're using the powdered peanut butter rather than the higher calorie regular peanut butter. Peanut butter and powdered peanut butter is a good example, and there's also many other good examples out there, such as salad dressings compared to non-fat salad dressings or light salad dressings. At the end of the day, it just comes down to making the better choice and the lower calorie choice. You might also say, well, isn't there more benefits to eating healthy? And I would say, yes, 100%. You will feel much better if you are eating higher quality food rather than more processed food. This is why I always tell people to eat more quality food, because the higher quality your food is, the better you're going to feel, the better you're going to perform in the gym, better overall. With that being said, yes, eat higher quality food when you can. And I guess higher quality food is usually considered healthy. Now let's talk about the benefits of actually eating healthy and why I always promote it and why you should definitely eat healthier. One thing about healthier food that is very beneficial is that most of the higher quality food actually has a higher thermic effect. So your body is actually going to burn off more calories through digestion rather than more processed foods. For example, if you eat 100 calories of broccoli or 100 calories of chocolate, your body is going to burn off more calories digesting the broccoli rather than the chocolate. To sum everything up, eating healthy does not automatically mean you are going to lose weight, get shredded, get leaner. What it comes down to is calories. If you are eating too many calories, you are not going to lose weight. However, eating healthy is definitely going to help you if you are eating the right healthy foods. Try to avoid foods that are calorically dense, such as peanut butter and avocados. However, you can use PB Fit, which is a powdered version of peanut butter to help curb that peanut butter craving for a lot less calories. At the end of the day, you just need to make the better choice. Opt for the lower calorie options whenever you can, and you are going to have a much better time losing weight. Hope you guys could take something from this video. If you did, be sure to leave a comment, drop a like, subscribe if you are new here. That's going to do it for the video. All my links are in the description below. If you guys are interested, I actually have a cookbook that has a bunch of low calorie recipes that are going to help you lose weight. That is also in the link in the description below. Go check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!